How to make a YouTube short video. Without wasting time, let's get started. Open YouTube app. Click on this big circle at the center. Create a shot. Click on this. The camera opens. Now let us look at the various options. Now, if you already have a vertical video ready, then you can select from here. If you press this red button at the center, recording will start. As per current rules, YouTube video can be maximum 60 seconds long, while if you add any music track here, it can be 15 seconds long. So, to increase video length, tap on this 15 and adjust video length from here. First, let us look at this option, flip. You can flip between front camera and back camera with this button. Next, you can increase or decrease the speed with this option. These are options you have. 1x is normal, 2x is twice faster, while 0.5 is half slower than normal video, and so on. Now, you can act hands-free with this timer option. Here I can set the countdown. If you want 10 seconds countdown before recording starts, tap this. Also, if you want your video length to be 10 seconds instead of 5, adjust here. First, we can add some music. Tap here. Select a song and click on this blue arrow to return back to the camera. See, the name appears. You can get this adjust button once you add music. Let me tap on adjust button. This is the entire song and this is the video length. Drag this to select where the music starts and then click done. So let me start recording by clicking on this circle. Recording is in progress. Complete. You can change music from here. If you want to add text, click here. Select font color here. Let me write something. This slider is to change text size. You can change font size from here and from here. At last, tap done. To add more text, repeat the process. You can see the timeline and adjust the text duration from here. Tap next to proceed to the next screen. Now you need to enter a catchy title, select visibility and select audience. Let me add the title. Mention if it is made for kids or whether it is age restricted. Next, select visibility, whether public, unlisted or private. Or schedule your video to auto-publish as public at a particular date and time. And finally click upload. So I go to the library and I find this video is being uploaded. Yes, my first short video is live. Let's watch it. So, we have successfully created a short video. Now, if you want to know how to write catchy titles for your YouTube videos, then don't miss this video, how to write viral titles. See you there in that video.